Hello students, this is important announcement for all those students, those who are joining IIIT, those who are aspiring for IIT JEE and wanted to be a future doctors or wanted to join an engineering college after EAMCET or wanted to be doctor after state level examinations for the medical examinations and wanted preparation parallelly board exams also. Okay, so now this I am going to announce everything in English, not in regional language, because it is going to be a hurdle for your career if you study from your regional languages like Hindi, Telugu, Tamil or Malayali, like that. If it is better to understand, but in the application part I feel many people are not able to apply it. Therefore I will be using the instructions in the English only. So but I will be using very easy English so that everybody at 10th pass, 8th pass students also can understand. Okay, so now this is for those students those who are getting good marks. Suppose if you are at the 70%, there is a scope that you can gain around 90% also, without guidance, without channeling of your strategy, without giving the proper attention and over your studies and direction. If you are able to score around 70%, that means definitely there is a scope to get 90 to 99%. If you are below average student, definitely if you are properly guided, definitely you are going to get good marks around 80 to 90% easily if you go through the proper channel in the proper direction if you are guided with. So in India, every student have their ability of thinking, ability of doing something well, but only thing is they are not getting the guidance. And if they are getting the guidance also, it is not free of cost, and if the free of cost also, it is not in the proper manner. So keeping in view which chem is going in that direction, giving you a manageable or almost free of cost education, but without limiting any qualities. Okay, quality of education will be high, but if you want you can pay the nominal, otherwise you can avail it for the free of cost also. Many students are doing hard work. I feel very bad when people are doing hard work and they don't know what they are doing and what for they are doing. So once the purpose is not clear, then the things will not turn out to be a correct. So for that purpose only, to give them crystal clear idea about the education, crystal clear about the career opportunities, what after which course and which direction, which way, which procedure you have to follow, everything you will get in the VIJ CHEM YouTube channel. Okay, so and it is, as of now, it is completely free. Okay, so now for giving them right direction, for giving them the right clarity, let it be state board examinations, let it be central examination, let it be ICSE, ISC or CBSE, any type of board examination, but parallelly will prepare for the entrance examination. Everywhere nowadays entrance examination, uh, there is no course where you will be joining without any entrance examination. So how to crack that entrance examination? With smart preparation, not hard work, it is just smart prepare. Okay, so how to do that, I am going to tell you. And now I am announcing a test series. I am announcing a test series that is also free of cost, including guidance. So as is just starting, I am going to give you the atomic structure that will be online examination, complete examination atmosphere itself. So you will be having complete examination atmosphere, and the time limit also will be given to you, and marks will be sent to your email ID. Everything will be proper and quality. Okay, the questions are selected so that keeping the recent examinations of NEET mains advanced examination with EAMCET touch. Okay, so that in that way you will get the right direction, and you can attend at your own and your own time at at night 12 o'clock, at 1 o'clock, or morning 4 o'clock. And for that, what to prepare, also video lectures are also uploaded. Okay, so first you can go through that video lecture. Everything I will give you in the description box. And if you wanted to give somebody a gift to your friends or your juniors or your seniors, relatives, your colleagues, just forward this video and they will understand. Check out with the description box. Now first test, I am going to start with the atomic structure. First prepare from the video lecture, that playlist I am giving, and after that, in your convenient time, when you feel that I am now perfect in atomic structure, but my preparation is as per the present standard or not, you wanted to check, then you can attend the examination from the link and you will get the marks and analysis report on your mail ID. Okay, so please give this video a wide coverage and wide publicity. This is applicable for all those who have joined the engineering also but not satisfied, those who wanted to drop this year for preparing next year examination. Everybody can avail this. So I think everybody will do a sharing this video and help the most of the people around the India, as I am using the English language, so across the globe also it is useful. I think all will do, and let's do a good job by sharing at least 3 people and asking them to subscribe and press bell icon so that I can give you the next course of action after the atomic structure. So we will make a plan and accordingly we will proceed so that you will excel in your all type of examination. And how to utilize my channel, how to go through the any topic other than the atomic structure, that also I am going to show you. I think you will do it, and already you must have liked this video. If not liked, kindly like it and share it to minimum 3 people. You can keep this video in your WhatsApp status or WhatsApp groups or Telegram groups, any or Facebook. You do anything, but it should be given a wide publicity. You are indirectly helping them, and you yourself can also utilize this. Thank you. Bye bye. See you. See here, if you press VIJ CHEM YouTube channel on the search button, then you will get a channel like this. Then you press, you can go to the playlist. Okay, so here you will get chapter wise videos. Chapter wise videos are there. Okay, DPP series. This DPP series is to cross check whether your preparation is up to the mark or not. This is a PYQ series. Okay, previous year question series. And see, this is what you have to start with: one shot catalyzer crash course. So almost 22 chapters are covered, so some more are covered. I will try to cover that also by the time you appear your examination. Okay, so go through the one shot catalyzer series, then you will go to the previous year question of that particular chapter, and while particular chapter you are revising, then you will understand which topic you are having difficulty. Suppose if you have problem in some isomerism, so go through the isomerism you have problem in tiomerism. Okay, or any questions you want geometrical isomerism, like that topic videos you can go through, so that the topic will be very high. Okay, that topic also will be strong. Then you will go through the DPP series. Okay, So if you wanted to appear for the board exams also, alternatively prepare for that, we have started board exam series also. I think all of you will go through the VIJ CHEM YouTube channel daily half an hour to 1 hour, so that it should be a part of your success. Okay, so let's continue to our application format.